7 minutes a day. With the help of Allah, if we dedicate these 7 minutes to what I will mention today, we will be in constant remembrance of Allah, and we will also gain a lot of reward. Okay? First minute, dedicate a minute a day to read Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times. We all know it by heart. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Subhanallah, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he told the companion one day, is anyone of you incapable of reciting third of the Quran in a night? How can we do it? He said, by reciting Surah قل هو الله أحد 3 times. It is equivalent to third of the Quran. The second minute, the last 2 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah at night, from Aman al-Rasulu all the way till the end. Why? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he told us, whomsoever recite those 2 ayat at night, kafatah, they are sufficient for him from praying tahajjud. Allahu Akbar. Protection for him from all evil. Protection from all shayateen. It is sufficient for him from reading a portion of the Quran. As if he did, just by reciting these 2 ayat, he read a portion of the Quran. Third minute, constantly repeat Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Dedicate 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, to keep reciting this. Why? What is the reward? Rasulullah ﷺ told us that these are the most beloved 4 words to Allah Azza wa Jal. So I'm repeating something that Allah loves the most. And he told us also, alayhi salatu wasalam, that it is for me to recite these letters is better for me than the whole dunya and everything in it. Drops all my sins. Every time I say one of them, a tree is planted for me in Jannah. So the reward for this is immense. Dedicate literally 1 minute, and you could repeat these words multiple times in 1 minute. The 4th minute, dedicate 1 minute to make a lot of istighfar. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. I did it myself. I was able to do 55 times astaghfirullah in 1 minute. And doing a lot of istighfar while meaning it. Rasulullah ﷺ told us, it will relieve from any grief. It will elongate your life. It will, subhanallah, give you a blessing during the day. Astaghfirullah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us, it will increase our wealth. It will increase our children. It will increase our barakah. So, making a lot of istighfar. What is the 5th minute? Dedicate 1 minute just to say, Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. I did it. I was able to do it for 25 times. Allahu Akbar. And Rasulullah ﷺ told us, every time I say Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad once, Allah will mention my name in front of the angel 10 times. And the more I make salat on Rasulullah ﷺ, the higher my possibility of getting his intercession on the day of judgment when I really need it the most. The 6th minute, saying after Fajr prayer, لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. 10 times. We can do it easily, 10 times, 1 minute after Salat al-Fajr. What is the reward? Rasulullah ﷺ said, 10 good deeds will be recorded. 10 sins will be eliminated and upgraded 10 degrees. And he will be safeguarded from all kinds of harm all that day. He will be guarded against shaitan, and no sin can overtake him on that day except if he committed shirk. Allahu Akbar. All these rewards can be acquired by dedicating 1 minute. And the last minute, the 7th minute, is to forward something good to others. Forward to others a clip, as long as, very important, it is authentic. The hadith that you're forwarding, it's 100% authentic. The reminder that you are forwarding, it is 100% authentic. The sheikh is a sheikh that is, you can take knowledge from him while you are safe, and you know that secure. He is cautious about quoting everything that is authentic from Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Forwarding, for example, forwarding this, what is the reward of it? Rasulullah ﷺ said, whomsoever does what's in that hadith you forwarded, in that clip that you forward, you will get the same ajr, same reward. You, subhanallah, sometimes you forward 1 clip. Like for example, how long does it take to forward this? A few seconds, right? But all of a sudden, Allah put barakah in that forward that you did, and it went all over the world. Every time somebody applied these 7 minutes that we are talking, you will be getting the reward while you are sleeping. Subhanallah, I'm talking about a minute a day. Subhanallah, how many minutes do we have per day? A lot of minutes. We have 24 hours, and every hour I have 60 minutes. Do the math.